gonna hold this close. We thought about telling some funny stories about Marie and Sean, and we thought about how much we love you both. And then instead of telling funny stories, we thought we would sing you a song instead.
So with that in mind, let's raise our glasses and cheers this beautiful couple. Cheers!
We just want to thank all of you. I'm sorry we didn't make enough toast to throw at you again. So those of you who were there last night at the rehearsal dinner, I'm sure you got toasted in your face with the toast that we made. I'm so sorry we couldn't do that, but we love you and thank you so much for coming out. And it's been such a wonderful day for us. Just thank you.